Now that you have created your show and entered some of the basic information, you can start to add the schedule for your event. Entering the schedule is broken into 3 sections: tracks, time slots, and sessions. First, add tracks to the event. A track or stream is a list of events that occur in chronological order that usually follow a theme. You can only have 1 session per time slot in a track. If you have sessions at your event that are happening at the same time as others, you'll need to create multiple tracks to house these sessions. Using short, concise track names is advised, as this will allow for clearer display on your app. You can order the tracks by using the Sort Index box too. Once you have added your tracks, now on to time slots. Create time slots for the sessions at your event by choosing the start and end date and time using the drop-down fields given. Make sure that your time slots are within the show dates you have set in the show info page. Now is also a good time to check that the time zone for your event is set correctly. Repeat this process until you have created all of the time slots for your event. Don't worry if the schedule isn't finalized, as you can always edit the time slots and add new ones. Once you have created a time slot, it will appear in a list below. If you need to edit a time, click on the date and time of it in the list below, then hit Edit. Once you have added all of the time slots you need to add, move on to add sessions. When adding sessions, you can put in the following information: session title, the location of where it is taking place, then pick out the time slot and track from what you have entered in the previous steps. Once you have done this, you can add a session abstract or description, then attach speakers if relevant. The speakers are populated if you have entered them. If not, don't worry, you can always go back and edit later. Session evaluations need to be turned on for each session, so check this box if you want them on. Then hit Create Session, and you're done. Sessions you have created will now appear in the list below, and will appear like this in the Show Gizmo app too.